Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to make a phoenix bird fire intro video. Watch till the end and subscribe my channel for more videos. So let's get started. So first open Pixel Lab. There click on this box option and click on image size and choose YouTube thumbnail and click on OK. And now let's edit this text. So come to this A option and click on the A option and click on this pencil option, and now you can edit. You can put your channel name. So my channel name is VIKAS K Sachin K. And make it double line. So now actually we are going to set this text in a yellow background. First let's resize it. Now click on this AB font and choose and choose arm wrestler. So it will be correct. You can choose either arm wrestler or you can choose capture it. So capture it, it will be nice. So no problem. So now click on 3D text and enable it and click on oblique. So now the depth should be 2. So darken should be 100 so that it will look clear. Now and the intensity should be less, whereas the shadow and the spectacular hardness should be more, so that it will look like this. So on a yellow background, let's choose either this color or whatever color you like you can choose, but for yellow background I will choose any gradient, because for yellow color gradient will be perfect. So I will choose this. I think it's nice. So click on OK, and the very important thing is that you again come to this double option and make it transparent so that your text looks like this. So click on this save option and tap on save as image and save to gallery. So now open KineMaster and tap on create new, and the aspect ratio should be 16:9. So this is an ad. Okay, now open the video the video that you have downloaded. Don't worry guys, I will send this video in a Google Drive file link so that you can download the video and use it. So now we are going to do fire. First let's see how is the video. So now we are going to do phone expert with fire intro video. So let's see the original video first. So this is the original video. Now exactly the bird is screaming the and this time when these both fire moves in round shape like this, that time you click on a layer and insert your channel logo. So my channel logo is here. So this is my channel logo. So first I will see where it's coming. Yeah, so now you can clearly see. So here I'll just drag this a bit that side so that it will look clear for me. So at this time, so exactly, so both the fires are meeting at this time. So you pause the playhead, you pause the playhead and so at this time you pause the player and trim the image. So now we can resize it according. So I should resize it here and tap on in animation and click on fade so that it will be correct, and again select this image and out animation also should be in fade. So now let's see how it is. So now we are going to insert. So exactly at this time, like the fire, the circle is coming, right? So several the layers of the circle is coming. So at that time, tap on layer, media, and select the pixel lab image what we have done. So it should be more so that it will look clear, and tap on in animation and choose scale down, scale up, and take it till the last. So now let's see. So it's nice. So let's see the full video. So for me, I think with my channel name, I will take this a bit down. With my channel name, I would like to keep my channel logo. So I click on layer, media, and even if you like, you can take a channel logo. The same thing there are no changes. So exactly here I will just resize it, and I will click on in animation, and I will take scale up, and I will check for what point I will get this. So even I will also keep this also the scale down option, scale up option 1. So now let's see how those both are. So I will see. I would like to resize it a bit. So let's see now how it is. So VIKAS K Sachin K, it's nice. So not only this, whatever you want, whatever text you want, you can choose. And whatever text size in Pixel Lab, whatever text size, text color, text font, and if you want 3D you can keep, or if you don't want or don't need. Why I took this font and I choose the 3D text means it looks bit realistic, because actually here the flame is included. So flame means the shadow should be, so that it will look nice. If the shadow is not there also, it will look nice, but this shadow will look something realistic. So for that only I have given the shadow there. So that now let's see the full video. So I like this. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I think that this video will be useful for many YouTube beginners. And if you like the video, please share it with your family and family, friends and relatives, so that they could also watch the video. Thank you. Regards, VIKAS K. And click on export. So if you like the video, now KineMaster Premium, I don't want this. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and do share it with your family and friends, so that they will also know. And I hope this video will be useful for many YouTube beginners, for you to create an intro video. Thank you. Regards, VIKAS K. So if this video was nice and helpful, please subscribe to VIKAS K and Sachin K for more videos. So if this video was helpful for you, please like and share to family and friends, and also comment how the video was. Regards, VIKAS K. Thank you.